The tricep rope pushdown primarily targets the lateral head of the triceps, giving you that defined outer arm look. It also emphasizes the long and medial heads, contributing to overall arm size and strength. Let's move on to perfect form. Attach the rope handle to the high pulley of a cable machine, positioning it so that the ropes are at least at head height or slightly above. This high starting point ensures you get a full range of motion, allowing for maximum stretch and contraction of the triceps. Choose a light to moderate weight that allows you to maintain control throughout the exercise. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 20 reps. Start by retracting your scapula by pulling your shoulders back and down. This stabilizes your shoulder joints and prevents unwanted movement. Lift your chest slightly to maintain a neutral spine and open up your ribcage for better breathing and stability. Position your upper arms and elbows close to your torso. This alignment keeps the focus on the triceps and minimizes shoulder involvement. With your arms in position, reach up by going on your toes and grab the rope handles using a neutral grip, palms facing each other, thumbs on top and wrapped around the rope. Take a step back from the machine. This creates space for the movement and helps maintain balance. Slightly bend forward by hinging at your hips, so your upper body leans forward, about 10 to 25 degrees. This slight forward lean allows your hands to travel higher on the return, providing a greater stretch in the triceps. Standing completely upright can limit your range of motion and may encourage using other muscles like the shoulders or chest to assist, reducing triceps isolation. Place your feet shoulder width apart with a slight bend in your knees for a stable base. Keep your head neutral with eyes looking forward. Brace your core as if preparing for a punch. This stabilizes your torso and supports your lower back. Begin each rep with your hands close to your chest, forearms touching your biceps. This high starting point provides a greater stretch in the triceps. Exhale as you push the rope down by extending your elbows. Try to keep your wrist neutral and elbows locked in place. They may move slightly forward or backward, but should not flare out. Push the rope downward, outward, and slightly backward. Downward to extend the elbows. Outward, flare the rope ends outward, turning your palms slightly upward at the bottom to target the lateral head of the triceps. Backward, aim to bring your hands slightly behind your body at the bottom to fully shorten the triceps and maximize contraction. Once your arms are fully extended, squeeze your triceps intensely. Pause for 1 to 2 seconds to maximize muscle engagement. Then inhale as you slowly allow the rope to rise back up. And that's it. Now let's explore some powerful tweaks and variations to maximize muscle growth and take this exercise to the next level. Number 1, use different attachments. Changing attachments from time to time can alter muscle activation patterns, promoting balanced tricep development. Straight bar emphasizes the medial head of the triceps. Easy bar offers a comfortable grip and targets different tricep angles. V-bar allows for heavier weights and focuses on the lateral head. 2 ropes allows you to push your arms even further behind your body for greater contraction. Number 2, experiment with hand positions. Using an overhand grip can target the triceps differently and may feel more comfortable for some. Flipping your grip to an underhand grip can place more emphasis on the medial head and improve mind-muscle connection. Number 3 is to incorporate rocking technique. Slightly shift your body backward during the pushdown and forward during the return. This rocky movement can help you generate a bit more power during the push phase and enhance muscle activation. This is an advanced technique. Ensure the movement is controlled and your core is engaged to prevent injury. Number 4. When you can no longer perform full reps, continue by squeezing the rope ends together and pushing down without flaring them out. Allows you to push beyond failure by engaging different muscle fibers, promoting increased muscle growth. And finally, let's address some common mistakes and how to fix them. Mistake number 1. Extending your arms too far forward at the bottom of the movement shifts tension away from the triceps and onto the shoulders and chest. Instead, keep your arms close to your sides and focus on pushing downward and slightly backward. This keeps the tension on the triceps and ensures proper muscle engagement. Mistake number 2. Rounding the shoulders forward compromises posture and reduces triceps activation. It can also lead to shoulder strain. Instead, keep your shoulders back and down, retracting your scapula. This stabilizes your shoulder joints and keeps the focus on the triceps. Mistake number 3. Allowing your elbows to flare out recruits the shoulders and reduces isolation of the triceps. Instead, tuck your elbows close to your sides throughout the movement to maintain tension on the triceps. Mistake number 4. Standing too close limits the range of motion and may cause the rope to rub against your body, hindering smooth movement. Instead, take half a step back from the machine to allow for a full range of motion without interference. Mistake number 5. Stepping too far back can cause you to lean excessively forward or backward, compromising balance and form. Instead, stand close enough to maintain a slight forward lean. Typically, half a step back from the pulley is sufficient. Mistake number 6. Letting the weight pull your arms up quickly reduces time under tension and can lead to injury. Instead, control the upward movement, taking 2 to 3 seconds to return to the starting position, maximizing muscle engagement. Mistake number 7. Doing them all at the same time. Which of these mistakes have you caught yourself doing? Drop a comment below and let me know.